As you are now living in Egypt, so for sure you're gonna need to eat. Okay, so you're gonna need some fast-moving customer goods from the supermarket. Okay, so now it's time to teach you some daily needs regarding the food. Okay, so first you're gonna need the bread. The bread we call it عيش. عيش, it's bread. Okay, عيش. Fine, which is actually the rounded one. عيش. But what about if you want the bread which is used for sandwiches, you know, the tall one? We call it عيش فينو. عيش فينو. عيش فينو, which is the long bread. Then we have the rounded bread, which is actually used for the burger. We call it عيش كايزر. عيش كايزر. عيش كايزر. Okay, عيش كايزر. Then we have the word fish. We call it سمك. 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 Then we have chicken. We call it فراخ. 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 Again. فراخ. Can you hear it from you? One more? Well done. Okay. Then we have the word meat, which is لحمة. 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 Okay. Then there are the rabbits. Some people here in Egypt they eat the rabbits. Others no. I don't know actually out of Egypt if they eat it or no. But let me tell you the word rabbit. We call it أرانب. 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 Then we have the cheese. The cheese. We call it جبنة. 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 It's the cheese, okay? And you know there's, you know, a triangle cheese. I don't know, you know, somehow like that, okay? The triangle shape. We call it جبنة مثلثات. جبنة مثلثات. جبنة مثلثات. Okay? Then let's move to the word jam. We call it مربى. 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 Okay? Then the word yogurt. We call it زبادي. 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 Okay? زبادي. And the word فول, which is the beans. فول. 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 Can you look at my mouth? فول. فول. Okay? And the eggs, we call it بيض. 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 Okay? بيض. The eggs. And the word oil, we call it زيت. 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 Oil is زيت. Okay? Then we have the butter, we call it زبدة. 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 Okay? زبدة. Then we have the word sugar, we call it سكر. سكر, you know, it's somehow close to the English, okay? سكر. سكر. And we have the word tea, we call it شاي. شاي. Write it down in your notes. شاي. شاي. Okay? شاي. What about the word coffee? Coffee, we call it قهوة. 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 Let me highlight to you something over here. قهوة, it's actually the drink itself, and it's the location where you can have your hot drinks and soft drinks, but in local places. We call it قهوة as well. So you can go, you can say like, I'm going to the قهوة. Or you can say أنا عايز قهوة. I want coffee. If you're a male, if you're a female, you're gonna go like أنا عايزة قهوة. Or for example, أنا عايزة شاي. Or أنا عايزة, then you add anything you want to have, you know. What about the word rice? Guess. It's called رز. Just actually it's very close to the English. رز. Rice, it's رز. And the word salt, we call it ملح. 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 Say it. One more. Well done. Then what about the shampoo? You want the shampoo. The good news is shampoo in English, it's also shampoo in Egyptian Arabic. Don't worry about it, okay? And what about the soap? The soap where you can wash your hand or whatever. We call it صابون. 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 Okay? Okay. That's all for this part for now. Come on, let's go together to the next part. Come on, let's go.